The first topic we're going to talk about is race. And I know that that's something that we would like to think shouldn't and wouldn't be a divisive factor in this day and age. But unfortunately, that is true. When we are divided, just as all these ingredients are currently divided, we are so less fulfilling than when we fully come together. Lettuce is probably the most bland and boring of all the vegetables up here. And so we're going to say that's Caucasians, since to be honest, we're typically the blandest of the bunch. And I can say that, I'm a white guy, okay? We'll go ahead and add those to the bunch. Now we'll say that this is our African-American brothers and sisters. So then we have some lovely cucumbers. Let's say that this represents our Asian brothers and sisters. What about peppers? Beautiful, colorful, sweet peppers. Let's add those to the bowl as well and say that they represent our Hispanic brothers and sisters. This represents the Holy Spirit. So we have all of us gathered in this bowl. We pour the Holy Spirit, AKA Hidden Valley Ranch, all on it, and what happens? It all of a sudden becomes a glue that coagulates us all together and binds us as one. It makes our flavors bounce off one another and fully activates the flavor within each, really letting it bounce upon one another. That is what we should be striving for as a church.